Good morning, YouTube, social media, what's going on? Lewis coming from Squeaky Clean. Apologize for my appearance. I'm just coming from the gym this morning, trying to work on my physical and mental at the same time. So I wanted to drop a video real quick because it was something that just happened when I left the gym that I think a lot of people, whether it be new business owners or even seasoned business owners, need to take advantage of. So what happened is that when I was leaving the gym, I pulled out of the parking lot and I saw this van that had their business information on it, and it happened to be like not industrial, but commercial, residential, painting and contracting and stuff like that. So I backed my car up, or my truck up, and took a picture of his information because I'm all about networking and learning what other businesses do, and then if there's something that they can do either for me personally at my home or for the business, then I'll use them. But in order to be able to use them, you have to know their work, you have to know the person to be able to be comfortable with kind of subcontracting them out to do other things. So when I pulled back to take a picture of it, because it's like we're going to take a picture and then to write everything down, and then for me, I'm not going to remember anything, so I have to take pictures and stuff like that. He happened to be in his truck, so we had a conversation. I said, hey, I just wanted to take down your information, because I may be in the market for your services. So he gave me his card, and I got out the truck, and we just started talking. Very young, very nice man. He's been in business over 60 years. He's 72, so apparently he started when he was like 6 working with his dad, but he was a very impressionable person. He was an awesome guy. And while we were talking, he gave me a piece of paper that had references of the places that he had done, all over the area. And it was, great. It was a great idea, and that's something you guys should be able to employ in your marketing when you're going to places. Word of mouth, it goes a long way. So if you have references of people or clients that you have done, that helps out a lot and makes people feel a lot more comfortable. They're not going to always look, but the fact that you have that gives you credibility with a lot of people. But the other thing is that we had a conversation longer than I had anticipated. I just wanted to get a picture and just be out. But the conversation was so good, and so it was just such a blessing because he said, listen, if you have any questions, you want to talk, you want to learn something, you need to know something, I'm willing to talk to you. Now that does not, in my short tenure, as a business owner, hasn't happened a whole lot. Sometimes you get people that tend to keep the information to themselves, but this gentleman, be it he was, up in age, he's willing to share that information. And I make this video because that was one of the issues that I had when I started out. It was really hard for me to get information from people, and that was prior to me joining Clean Business Network with AJ Simmons. Everyone before that is the different groups that I went into. It was really, really difficult. So I got to the point where I was like, well, I'm just going to figure this out on my own. I'm going to, meet people on my own, and then I'm going to share the information that way. But AJ with Clean Business Network also, was a great, and still is a great group or network of information and resources to help you in your journey, whether it be in cleaning or any business aspect. But once again, I put this video out to say you got to get out there. You have to network. When you see people in their company vehicles, and you have an opportunity, either take a picture of it and call them and talk to them, or just stop and talk to them if you see them, because you never know the information, you never know what you're going to get out of that conversation that can help you in your growth. Get out there, talk to people, be impressionable, and just take that step. So with that being said, Squeaky Clean, Lewis from Squeaky Clean Cleaning Services, and you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Keep grinding, don't stop, and you guys have a blessed day. All right.